time ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਤੇਜ਼ੀ ਨਾਲ ਵਧਿਆ ਹੈ. The ladies have become powerful. They have reached at a place in every field, in every profession. They are actually leading. It was a news few days ago that this Siachen point, which is one of the highest point, one lady colonel has been posted there. Then China border there, one lady colonel has been posted there. After 60 years, Nagaland, 2 lady ministers, first time 2 lady ministers have been selected. So when all these news, they keep on coming, it's in fact a very good thing when we keep on hearing. But which is the sad part and much in number is कि one section of the society is like this, जिन्हों हजे भी औरतां दी नाल बिल्कुल भी उन्हां दी मानसिकता और उन्हां दे नाल वो जिहड़ा वर्ग आ वो औरतां नूं उदां ही ट्रीट करदा है कि वो बिल्कुल उन्हां दे थल्ले लगन. उन्हां नूं they don't respect ladies. They think they are still the weaker section of society. Now the point is that कि ਜਿਹੜੀ ਲੜਕੀ ਇਸ ਵਰਗ 'ਚ ਬੜੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਆ ਪੈਦਾ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਆ ਉਹਦੇ ਲਈ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਨੂੰ ਇੱਥੇ ਪ੍ਰੂਵ ਕਰਨਾ ਇੰਨਾ ਮੁਸ਼ਕਿਲ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ. ਇਟ ਇਜ਼ ਅ ਡੇਲੀ ਚੈਲੰਜ ਫॉर ਹਰ. ਉਹਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਹਮਲੇ ਮਾਰਨੇ ਪੈਂਦੇ ਆ ਐਂਡ ਵਾਟ ਦ ਰਿਜ਼ਲਟ ਇਜ਼ whether she is married, whether she is unmarried, she ends up doing something wrong because no one is there to listen to her, no one is there to understand her. I'll tell a very small thing from my life because we were born in a very protected environment. बड़े हुए, so बड़े carefree ਹੁੰਦੇ ਸੀ कि everything is so good, we can do whatever we want. पर असलियत मैनू उदों पता लगी when I joined my work, being in media, उथों society दियां ladies दियां ਜਦੋਂ ਮੈਂ ਖਬਰਾਂ ਸੁਣਦੀ ਸੀ ਪੜ੍ਹਦੀ ਸੀ I actually went in shock कि असलियत ਤਾਂ ਆ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਦੀ. ਅਸੀਂ ਤਾਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ we are living in a very good world. So it was God's grace that somehow I wanted to do something, so I got connected with Nari Niketan. What I have felt there also is कि ਜਦੋਂ ਲੜਕੀਆਂ ਆਉਂਦੀਆਂ हैं, because it's a shelter home also, whether they are 6 years, 7 years or they are elder, because what they have seen in their past, their families, what they go through, even their close ones in the family don't leave the girls. So being through such trauma, their personality changes. It actually impacts their personality और वो बिल्कुल different हो जाती है. They are living like that. So what our aim should be to इतना दियां लड़कियां नूं we have to build confidence. हमला मरवाना पड़ेगा कि you have to do something, forget your past and ladies नूं मौका देने की लोड़ है. Then they can achieve everything, but for that we all have to help them. Sometimes I have seen even ladies are responsible for ladies this thing. Yeah, they are responsible for their condition. So we all have to keep this in mind and we have to especially work for that society, that section which is still not able to understand, because what I feel, they are not educated enough. The illiteracy is there. Then jobs नहीं है क्या, unemployment, they start taking wrong things and उत्थे आके भी वो ladies से अपना जोश करते हैं because they feel कि it is a weaker section of society. So I think from starting, a boy should be taught in a family to respect a girl because वो छोटे होंदे तो देखते हैं कि वही लड़की ना हो रहा है, ना उन्हें equal rights of food, ना equal rights of education. So छोटे होंदे तो सानू लड़कियां नूं ये समझाना बहुत ज़रूरी है and we have to build a confidence in the girl कि yes you can do everything, बस अपने आप हिम्मत रखो and keep on raising your voice.
Rape cases are increasing day by day. Then if we talk about the social evils, then the dowry system is there. Just the style has been changed. How जैसे पहले कहते थे कि मतलब हमें dowry चाहिए, पर लेकिन इस टाइम पे थोड़ा सा स्टाइल चेंज हो गया. वो स्टाइल क्या कि हमें कुछ नहीं चाहिए, we have everything, but marriage अच्छे से कर देना. So there are a number of evil over there. Then how we can stop these things? How we can change the mindset of the people? Then as a teacher or the faculty member, all the faculty members are there. Then what should we do? And my question is from Gurjot.
Your question is very good. Some cases we see कि बड़े अच्छे फैमिलीज होंदियां ने, घर बड़े वड्डे होंदे ने, बट डॉटर इन लॉज की वही हालत है. वो सवेर तो शाम तक दे आर वर्किंग लाइक हेल्पर्स, दे आर नॉट अलाउड टू गो आउट. एजुकेशन बहुत ज़रूरी है. जदों वन गेट्स एजुकेटेड देन द थिंकिंग आउटलुक चेंजेस. और जे एजुकेशन मिली हुआ टू अ मैन एंड द मैन फोक, they will never let this happen. And educational outlook change ho janda hai. You take the word that way, then your next generation, you educate the generation that way कि ladies बच्चियां नहीं है आ कर रही support ladies ਨੂੰ help करो, ताड़ा outlook change हो जाता है. So education for men is very important to respect the ladies and अगे family ਨੂੰ चलाने ਲਈ ladies ਲਈ important है because they have to fight the systems which never ends. Either you are a child, you are in school, you are in college, you grow, then you get married, you keep on fighting throughout your life. But if you are not educated, you are not standing on your feet, you will not be able to fight these circumstances. At least you get the courage to do that. So education is must for all these thinking to go. Jira tada question hai, kapde da ya uda. See, that is a very natural thing for a mother to say. Because when we are young, we are daughters, we will not feel this. But when you get into this stage, your daughter is wearing such clothes at such a place jithe nahi load hai. And when someone is looking at your daughter, it is very difficult for a mother to see that. So it is very natural for your mother to say because our society is not a safe society. तुसी बाहर चले जाओ, सिंगापुर चल जाओ, दुबई चल जाओ, कितने भी उठे, no one sees even what you are wearing or how are you walking. But in our society, people will not leave you. They'll keep on staring, they'll keep on looking, and you, even if you feel कि मैं तो करना है, so that is in yourself कि yes, I am confident, I will carry. But it is very difficult for the elders to take it. और कई जगह तक ये होता है when parents get involved, आजकल ते murders हो जाते हैं. Many fathers they land in a fight, they land in cases. So it's duty of parents कि बेटा ये avoid करो, ये ना करो. So that is where generation gaps comes. But I think parents have their own thinking about this. So what we can do is like you as this thing, small child, even I have a daughter. So it is like we can also listen to the parents. कई जगह होती है you can be presentable, कई जगह होती है नहीं. So थोड़ा time parents नाल भी we have to deal. नहीं तो वो फिर there is a fight all the time because they know what is in the society. I know how deep the society is going. Very, very wrong thinking men have. So even not everyone, but काफी part of society है. तो इसलिए थोड़ा जा we also have to see हमेशा fashion और ओदे पीछे ना जाइए कि ओने इधर कितना तो मैं भी इधर करना. So we have to build our own this thing. We have to see our family. We have to see our family they trust. इसलिए एक हौली with stage in your life you will understand. So try to be a very positive personality, not only by wearing small clothes and fighting with parents is not the solution. We have to keep them happy. They have really done so much for us. So now it's our time to give them back.